Mr. Vishnu Prasad Brahma is power of attorney, UNB Trust. And for handing over of citation, I would like to request our Honorable Chief of BTR, Sri Pramod Boroji. It's a very happy moment for us, and I would like to request our house to give a more thunderous clapping. Now I would like to request our Honorable Chairperson of today's program, Sri Upendra Brahmaji, also Honorable Cabinet Minister of Assam, to hand over the memento to Dr. Abhay. And now I would like to request to hand over the cash award of money, Dr. Subang Bosomotari, Chairman of UNB Trust. It's a very happy moment for all of us. We are really blessed that in our soil today we have blessings of an eminent person like Dr. Abhay. And may I please request our Honorable Chief Guest to hand over a token of